Here we are at the Gautam Buddha University, and this is the playground. I mean, this is the cricket playground of GPU. As you can see behind me, this one is the cricket playground of the GPU, which is Gautam Buddha University, and the university which I studied. Okay, and there are a lot of sports faculties and stadiums. For example, this one is, as you can see, the cricket stadium, but there are as many as indoor stadium and hockey stadium and all. And one fact I want to say you that is, in this stadium the under 19 team of Afghanistan has been came here to practice. And in the indoor stadium of Gautam Buddha University, the very famous movie which is Dangal has been also been shooted, and few commercial ads, for example, of Vivo smartphones has been also shooted in Gautam Buddha University indoor stadium. So this is the look. And okay, so we came here. So this is one of my friend. Hi. We both are together, are in the same college, Gautam Buddha University, and same
first year biotech student.
yeah, we are biotech student. And today we are at our today we are just roaming around our universities, especially the cricket stadium. I wanted you show the view from here. So although the stadium was quite good, I mean, looks quite good, I mean, the grasses and all, but the sitting area was not very good because it has been polluted by the birds and their poo-poos. Okay, so चिड़ियों ने पोटी कर रखी है वो जहाँ पे बैठते हैं. There's a lot of poop of birds, especially pigeon. उन्होंने pollute कर रखा है पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी को. इनफैक्ट हॉस्टल्स में भी पिजन का पूरे आक्रमण है. And as you can see, the grasses was looking absolutely beautiful. And जो main pitch है, it has been covered with mats, as you can see, so that पानी ना लग सके. Okay. So this is the cricket stadium of Gautam Buddha University. So there was a rule. If you are a GPU student, there was a rule. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बैट लेके बॉल लेके आ गए स्टेडियम में. यू मस्ट हैव ऑल द किट्स अवेलेबल किट्स टू केम हियर एंड प्ले. ओके, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू प्ले आउटसाइड द ग्राउंड. ओके, GPU का एक रूल है. इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले बैडमिंटन, इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले एनी काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, ओके, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू यूटिलाइज द sports faculties and equipments, you have to bring, first of all you have to bring your own. For example, if you want to play TT, so you have to bring your own. If you want to play badminton, you have to bring your own racket. You have to also wear sports shoes which is especially designed for the people playing badminton. Okay, so एक शूज़ आती है, I don't know, नन मार्किंग शूज़. ओके, सो इट इज़ वेरी मैंडेटरी, अदरवाइज तुम्हें इंडोर स्टेडियम में एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, सेम एज इन द क्रिकेट स्टेडियम, you also have to bring your own cricket kit, otherwise you are not allowed to play inside the field. Okay, so university के पास university is not going to provide you all the equipments, for example badminton and sports kit. Although university has, but they are not providing because students are, always try to broke those equipments, and it is bit expensive. So university cannot afford things again and again and again, so you have to bring your own. Okay.